Hey, how's it going, you guys? This is Ian with Modern Exterior, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys what lichen is and what it does to your roof. So I'm out here in Franklin, Wisconsin today. Out here at a customer's house doing some gutter work to it here, and I couldn't help but notice the amount of lichen growth on his roof here. So I'm actually going to show you guys here. This green stuff right here, this is like a moss that's starting to build up, which builds into a mold realistically. That's what this is here. And if you see here, all of this green stuff, this is all mold. This is all mold buildup. And that just happens realistically from the roof being older. There's a covering over the shingles that prevents this from building up. But he said that he got this roof done in 2012, so it's starting to kind of fade off here. But all this green stuff is that mold, and then this right here, that little piece right there, that's actually lichen. So it's realistically mold that is dried up. And what lichen actually can do to your roof is it can actually start to chunk away at your shingles. So I kind of see a spot right here. So this right here, that's because lichen kind of built up right here, and when it falls off of the shingle, it pulls the granules with it. So there are different chemicals that you can spray on your roof to get rid of that. A lot of people say, oh, just pressure wash it. You have to be very careful actually pressure washing it. Otherwise, it's going to take a bunch of granules with it, and it's going to damage your shingles. And then there's another section up here where you can kind of see that mold is starting to build up in between the shingles too, and starting to get underneath the shingles, and it's actually starting to kind of pull them a little bit. If you can, try to get a product. They sell them online, you can kind of look it up, and it'll actually start to strip the lichen off of your roof, and then you can kind of pressure wash it gently to get all that off. You just have to be careful with it, otherwise you can ruin your shingles doing it. Otherwise, that will do for this video today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you. We'll see you next time.